Today I want to talk to you about the importance of what makes a fume extraction system work. We all talk about horsepower to drive the motor and CFM, cubic feet per minute of airflow, but one of the most important things that not a lot of people talk about is the static pressure required to pull that fume through the hose. The Clear 02 W100 vacuum series from Translas requires 34 CFM at the nozzle of the fume torch. To get that on the back end without a torch connected, we have 106 CFM free blowing, which is driven by a 1.5 kilowatt or a 2 horsepower motor. Here I have an instrument that measures the inches of water column, and we're going to go ahead and test this unit to see what the results are. So as we saw, at 60% on the vacuum potentiometer setting, we got 100 inches of water column. At 100%, when we turn the vacuum at full speed, we got 130 inches of water column. This confirms that we can run anywhere from 5 meters, 15 feet, up to 20 meters, 60 feet of hose, plus the Translas fume torch for a successful operation. This is why Translas can capture up to 98% of the fume directly at the source through this equipment. If you're investing in fume extraction torches, make sure that you have a minimum of 100 inches of water column.